mame matiefo nyina kwa bana sije weekend ni so kwa yie ni ade a asemba ko esiye koya rehosem koya fatality manipa ba ko hwe ne nkwa mampani convoy a ne fi kumase bankran ne sede wutie mu abunso asafo haya o sije
that's a woman doing crying cry
fi kumase bunso asafo na sije ade ba ko koso mayimu asesese no seye eniamo hu seye yawdie o seye bufuo seye akomahye o se obi kura hunu se convoy etwamu a nipa no na ne bofu
enfa no ho
se obi kura hunu se ambulance etwamu a ebo abetitiw eni asenkafo no ambulance chese blow siren
don ko ba bia
wo se nipa ma kwan na ambulance
oni ba bia akọ oni ba bia akọ
na dani asem minim ba bia sese no enibie mru so se yedien yo yenya hweye o na de oda ambulance mo yede ne sen a twe wo ho na ambulance mesen na wo de ye wo sa wo na wo pentem sije wo na wo pentem na wo besene no ant wo muwa no obi nkasa podosi o ne mom yenyina ye koba ye ho ode a wa wotumi twi wo sen wo ho fa wa wotumi twi wo sen kodo to na bia na eda bi ba ebe ye critical say ye do beto ambulance mu na wo demu a se wo preje wo nkwa no na to se nipa be so kwa mu no abesen yenya hweye o na se ye de komani bre no da suban bi dia ensem fata yan asoman se je manam kwan so on several occasions a convoy ebesen a senkani besi fom keke na convoy na ba no onwunu de enti onte asie de enti a ewo so si fom na se ye mampani se ye minister bi se ye mampani abedi akire se ye speaker ebesen wo bra wono di kwam no e de enti ono ewo so si fom na de ono no ye na tax ene tue de ka de besen
abra
wo ye den kra wo ye den wo ye opanyi
emra wo ho yeah emra wo ho
sije minnim ade asese no eba ye so saa but anye see you dey bomodian ne ko all over these social media platforms no na sha kwanhia esi enra these platforms be e postiye see je ko ne ko read comment atena nsan no nipa nitima nipa ni abadaye because of a comedy yen nipa ni say atuminu bia nipa na ato no na senkani na esiye ye senkani na wafiri mo no ko betue ye wonua bema obetue ye wo papa obetue ye obusuani wo fabi nipa ni satemane abadaye ne biem de esiye timu nyina ye politics eti nipa hwene kwa wo kwan ya yi aso sei no eno no eye bi kra de yenya hwe ye osije na babia ne o mekeka kono de babia ne mekeka kono ya hwe ya nipa hu nipa mo biem because of amanyosem
abra ena ye binum so hye so say okay abra me no ya adwen 120% say eye obi ahi say V8 na ebo siren na ese ugina nche eye na
chese na bufu
na bufu trotro driver no ambulance edi na kira ebo wio na ese ugina nche sima seconds kakra bi na ambulance no ebetwa mu no eye na abna ye tu half no ne tu han sosofo ambulance ni V8 ni omam keka ka hom bebre soso wamode pekwan ebu wa onko ba bia enso na hwe kon yembie man na mesin ko fie ko koda
no kra no how do you determine
absolutely
how do you determine say de be dia ya papa ye jeni de be ya nyampa
my point is it is not for you to determine say all coin so coin just do your part man coin no mesin ko
no
man coin no messing
there be CJ hwe de senya ye hwe Canada Facebook yo na nipa de senia o
kwasi fa driver ne picture na eka
na nipa de senia o wakoma etimi tena social media say they deserve it why they deserve you we ya say because of politics in tiana your papa and ka be control sade we dia to Facebook ayo wo Fabian ka be control sade we dia to Facebook ne boni a waye ne se wo twi mampani e convoy na no let us not do this
wo na unya ya nka wo
na nto unya ya nka mpe na to dia wo na so da wo na wo so go na da bi da
mampani e be fa se be drive
ni be twi ni ka ma na nka wo mpe
abrante no oda hoyin
na wonya kokudro nya koma kwotena Facebook amanyo semti na wo kan de ye wo de
social media
na kan de ye wo de yenya hweye o yenya hweye anya won ko na komode we komode obia ekomode obia yenya careful and some free no aye candidate ankrofo because of politics de bia se je mekase ya hwe ya hu mekasa no pemera ho yenya careful pa dia politics ayo man yi because of your convoy hwan ayo mampani enti no mebuafu kan ne obi nya kranka convoy na asan ni nyina enya kwansia na obi awu na wonya de an
Abraham me nkwa homa no so na mene owura Adip Sani eba no bimbo mu a wa bene pa nkomo ye amenu mbi no na pe ye twetwe ya ma menji adwenkyere kakra ewo ho owura Sani wote ben kan Adom FM so ne ye mo ache
ye nia
amode o de
ye fe Yankopon ase wo so
Nyame Adom ho ye pa mete on kan na ache and the last time we shine na TV so Adom TV
yeah absolutely
yeah
let me to crank kakra
okay but wonim die wo bimbo ho masem bi say di kan adenti na mpanifo tsabia o mampani ana say obi sa say eba say won faka adenti na car no tem esene the normal driving speed me no me no ye dey drive e wo car kwan so urasani.
What I think largely for security reasons. For example, Obi attacks our convoy. No, the fact that Omuko no, I think reduces the risk. Omuko in a very slow mode, and no, it becomes dangerous because Mikai some time ago, now there was a robbery of a bullion van. Ashanti region Honum no, and the robbers omulei ambush rough road, so where the vehicle would slow down. Okay, so a slow it down risk factor no a cost through chain if it is speeding. However, you see, you were speeding, you were over speeding. I think Americano sometimes it's just too much. And then I mean convoy
okay.
Because the last time me joining convoy, I had to chicken out because Americano na me joining if I lose a tire and I may tie a tire and I'm losing control and I bump into a very bad speed bumper, because in excess of 200 kilometers an hour, it was just too much. Okay, so me checking out, and besides, when you say convoy, we fuel power and room for because it consumes like double the amount of fuel Uber consuming on a normal day. Because Fiaso accelerator, from 0% 50. So there's a lot of pressure on the car engine. So maybe, to be honest, convoy. However, convoy a mover. Dispatch riders are more in they have a way of communicating to the drivers. Okay. In fact, your sign language might be including even pedestrian crossing, even speed ramp. There were different types. There was the speed hump, any rumble strips. Ningina or more sign languages are usual. Potholes the whole or more sign language. In fact, one of the sign language obeying the 9 back from the motorbike and to say or step like 1, 2. To show say they be something is on the road and Omo communicate because they have communication gadgets. All right, so Omo do careful, they can communicate, reduce speed to 80 kilometers and reduce speed to 50 kilometers an hour. And if there's a diversion, they have a way of communicating and all that. So generally, safe. However, two things. Americano. One. Secondly, other reckless road users, okay? Because almost every Omanpenyin and the Fourth Republic has suffered an accident in one way or another. Okay, Udiashe Omanpenyin, former President Kufuor, was Silver Star Honum by a reckless drunk driver. Sherol is there not driver or person on using illegal routes to join the main route on the motorway. Also reckless. Former Vice President Aka Ouye Ewo cantonment Honum And also, to date, accidents, we don't know why no causes our accidents, and as a hit and run driver, or why we name. And so many reported cases. So, driving in a presidential convoy, even though police or dispatch riders, any ID, don't assume that every road user you're saying and now on him car tree. Look, we have all manner of road users, okay? And in some cases, in Sominia, convoy, ben, one another, so there's some level of proximity. Unfortunately, sometimes by nature of car, and our driver, so if they pass the first group, then the other road users, then join the main road. And yes, as well, sometimes it results in crashes. So, obviously, sir, level of convoy crashes, I think is becoming one too many. But it brings another issue. Okay. Ebimu afi omo bu siren bio.
Urasani. Se emre bi ho no ma chichire me se migina kwa na me road user na me se siren ba say ye ambulance so say ye convoy bi na ba. What is my duty? Because say na wokan se agana ha no ye take convoy crowd na ebu afu kra se convoy ba na na amuno mo ba no o ma di esika nyina no mo ba betwam na ye keka ne santi onyina nchen kra na convoy ne mra mesen no onyina nchen.
Absolutely, and in some cases, so a convoy bar as a road user, baby are safe, But the last time me driving, now to my left, because not pavement was. Then convoy, because there's a pavement. How can I climb the pavement? So I just say, but generally, like they have total disregard for sirens, Unimdenti, because abusing sirens, I say, or install siren. Me sure say Sakawe ni port Land Cruiser or bet me a cocoa company or install siren. And I think that abuse, has made Ghanaians feel, say, look, you are wasting our time. I will not give way to you. And truly, over 80% of sirens, are unnecessary. In fact, Udnim said, even those ones sanctioned by law to say ambulance, if it is not emergency, Udnim can say Uber siren. Even we a police vehicle and it's not an emergency, not more any of the say Uber siren. But even they abuse it. Just because I'm sanctioned by the state to do so, because I'm in a hurry, I want to dodge traffic, even though it's not an emergency situation, Uber siren. And I think that is what is making Ghanaians feel that no, they be after year So the unfortunate thing is Ebimu legitimate siren users, emergency, might not be given way because of the recklessness of others.
Yeah.
And Mikai, one of the media houses, roots indiscipline or roots program be, and may receive information to the effect says, sir, practice of capturing wrongdoers on the road, ebimu ye MPs any adino didn't go down well with certain persons within the corridors of power. And so program as soon as it started, it ended. It ended because some people were not happy about it. You see. So that's the unfortunate, the unfortunate thing, the culture of indiscipline, and then promoting never way maybe.
Finally, maybe a word of caution, a word of advice, especially on the backdrop of Penny Convoy, Abena Opokua driver no Ashre name coin. What are the lessons you bet me FCND free Arehusemi Emu Rasani?
I think generally overhauling and I changing standard operating procedures for the movement of presidential convoys. Indeed, on the normal scheme of things, I think the convoy was too much. Sometimes I ask myself, so cars be with 50, who are inside? So first of all, here you see the number of cars in these convoys. Okay. Secondly, I think periodic training because a lot of people drive without knowing say you are there for defensive driving. So if you are careful, Obi would not be careful. All right. Thirdly, the road network. So some time ago, Nami free Marcy Accra, and I was on a bus, and I remember Nami the front seat. At the point the road became so narrow, said we were moving. Moving at about 100 kilometers an hour. Now there was an oncoming vehicle, I think a bus, moving at about 120 kilometers an hour. We became so close to your friend said head-on collision. And at that speed, 100 plus 120, 220, we side-swiped each other and removed the side mirrors.
Wow.
That day, when I got to my destination, you see, God has given me a second chance of life. Okay, so the nature of the road network, because generally, it is safer to drive on a dual carriage than on a single carriage. Okay, and so the nature of the roads and the roadworthiness of the vehicles also will be parking in the middle of the road without triangle in the thick of the night. We are indiscipline, recklessness. So I think the National Road Safety Commission going forward together, of course, with the Ghana Police Service. Because sometimes Uber car be on the road and you wonder, so it's how car we cry, why the police has never seen it and it has not gone through a checkpoint before. You see? So let's ensure that the right things are done.
Okay. Rest animal was in the offense here. Why?
No,
all right. Adip Sani, a security analyst, and attraction and common Adom 106.3 FM. Abena
CJ. Ira Sania Kasabibri Yedanase. Na media the mechanic se oma an instance shankani bi so frame anono so ma reference bisa se bi on ma baby a convoy ne beto no na aida se bi a ekwan no titu ya kwan na enye no bia baby a wo besi afa no ehɔ nye wanya na bia nso kai wakwakonya problem e wo ho bi so baby a wadu na esisi fam krampo no na usi na amnamu na wokoto no so se na baby wadu na pavement or ye den kofro pavement but no mpo na producer etwe madwen kwato se bi on ma o mampani before said convoy bi etisa beba no ye wo moto case no no di anima e bi kan bi kwan no kire say bia parkiye ansana o maba nti we na ba ne sen e ba ne sen na kokko wie se eseni free baby a say Reno yi bi osije ti me best say car to this extent she said ya was say car no pa
car no kran nanchen obi de share
o
obi de share
car na she say na de car no ye there's no way CJ driver no ebenya nkwa
no
na de yetete ne so no aka yi no na no ase ekachire eno so tasie bi wo ho no ma obi badwen se convoy na twa o won se de no wo badwen se atwa
enti wo bu asi
wo ba na ba
na akaba ko bi so wa kire na ono de aba besin na
na de ba ko so wo ya kwan so asigye no so misleading crofo ebi won ma convoy ne kono na ebi mu krompa a wo nka ho no na omu de akire
wa shemu bi na say
enti be mu sa wo no ama drivers bebe na fa ne say ono atumi kakrotika se bia V8 eti foforo bia edi akira eba na enye V8 no enka ho bigya so no na aye fast edi akira akontem
convoy mu di enye easy unya kuma na
unya kuma utumi
me di presidential convoy achi ena ambulance enso so beka ya abofra ya
teacher ni dia babo na
ye call asen enti anapa no na say me di ambulance na chi na ye court e wasen na abena enya asem ketwa
enye easy
hey
uni akoma ye
car na ko be 200 200 plus ambulance no e ko be 200 plus
because there's an emergency
na me di akire ehwa na jam fafo na me frɛ busuafo sɛ ne aye no sɛ ebia na manteme nka bi
CJ yeba no enya ba abrantie no body
yema busuafo yakɔ
yema na busuanso yakɔ pa na yema mampani akufuado ne eye na pamfo nyina afrimu medie de bia mekase
anya na nsan na second lady
die no so say ne bodyguard bako no so che second na
na kata efri omampani aseye ebaye na ekurami on nkoma ya twitwen ya mama nkan mu kakra. On Sunday 19th May 2024, several vehicles belonging to the president's convoy were involved in a fatal accident along the Bunso-Achem Asafo stretch of the Accra-Kumasi highway. The unfortunate incident occurred whilst the convoy was on its way back from Kumasi after accompanying the president to Kumasi for a series of events this weekend. Tragically, one of the drivers, Mr. Kwesi Atta, has lost his life. Additionally, several close protection and police officers from the president's security details have sustained varying degrees of injuries and received initial treatment at the Suhum Government Hospital. The injured persons are currently being evacuated to the University of Ghana Medical Center for further treatment and observation. Several vehicles in the convoy have also been completely wrecked as a result of the accident. Fortunately, the president is safe and unharmed as he traveled to Accra via military aircraft. Our thoughts and prayers are with the family of the deceased, and we wish a speedy recovery to the injured officers. Further details will be communicated as we continue to assess the situation. We appreciate your understanding and support during this difficult time. Signed, Eugene Ahin, Director of Communications, Office of the President. Abena, Entikata Enra.
If you are Ora Kwesiata, what the father can see ye, Yamabusuan na yako. Na see you said, Medi can no, or Mampani, Yamana Frimu pa. One in a pound for neck, a walk convoy, Nimunina, Chese.
Ma to say all Kukumas no far from the coil.
Na or banana, a slap for military for helicopter be a baye. Nina ye,
and go pony, I say,
no woman poor seeing ya mere in a free only we cry now fast, so still none a year free moon. Yeah, since I now saw a fire, I would do more. Ye need to be seen. Into Nina ye. Na media madis ya medebetu ye nyina ye nim se Ghana fo ye masa akoma pa abada ye ene temano ye nkoso ankita memma ye ma amanyosem fra ye ni memma amanyosem enyi ya tenka ntontwene ya bada ye ntontwene da bibia ye nwi so obi didi nto nipa de de bone to no a eye ye nya hwe yie na wo na wonya ya anka opɛ wo papa bi na nya ya anka wani beje pa wo fa bi na nya ya anka wani beje pa ye ma ye ne nyima de wanya na nyame fa sa kwa no so sira ye bi yawde ni adwembɔne no ɛya dɔso ma yimu CJ medase ma me fa kɔ da bɔkrata na me mo so tewtew no a ɛma wo me de wo hyase ɛwɔ de ankɔ da bɔkrata ni mu na ye gina ɛwɔ takwa na CJ wonim sɛ ɛwɔ kɔta kwa ye se ndi sɛ manwoko no omo parliamentary candidate na party for na dwala yo se na ne ya mampani abedi akire ekopie mo ma no wo bɔ ne ntoa no mo kyerɛ sɛ parliamentary candidate ikodi lai mu akɔkɔtwen akosia mampani na de CJ wo de photo ni wo de wa hwe photo ni na da ha no na say yes party no
enti hwan me ho mampani abedi akire
mampani abedi akire wagiri chichi ona mampani na da nifa no
one hwan
na panyi ono da benkum no ono na ye takon soye ma baton pesa so the NDC parliamentary candidate ena ono so eda ha ya chese wo mo echi a omo esre no
e friend say but body
Isa Salifu Taylor na se omo chese abosom bebreni fe bebreni a chese say party for no suspect say papa no ono a wone MPP for na ko nakra na ena chese wodo na ne gwen se yo makɔchi na twamfoni afoni yinam na nkɔfɔ nsia sɛ de tete na yampa na omo so omo tia se che so omo hwese dia na California mampani abedi akire srede ne sato nsayam esmale bon komo no a na je so mabragu CJ na ne ya Pablo dia ba ekra yen ka wie yo
yeah
Pablo dia ba yan kofo say
takwansu
ayem
constituency
abaton pesia no so
oh honorable George Mrekuduka member
la
I'm serious
CJ almost ya sa there's a wono na wonim so almost say so you say this for especially constituency executives na omaja line no so almost say papa no say na asa de oni MPP for na da sore enti no say adwuma na omo ye ni nyina so omo peso omo yire omo ho age sa city no efrem pipi nsem na wo san twa wo kona ne vice president kotie sei kwa bonkomo kwose sei dia na ne eche se o che so ku omo kodwo to na eno no mo che se MPP for so the picture ne nam SNDC for ho ache wo mo ama sese no che se parliamentary candidate rikrompo on nam na wo se Secretary Dr. Baumia nchen enti se no papa ni che se ejagu ni chemu dendenden e wo ho no mo a wo mo se party for no ene executives na July na so mo be yi na fi so na so no mo de ne be kwade eno so da ha na se je wonim se African Media Convention e course so na no yi no wo mo che se samtwofo makomaku dunan ene yakum wom ewo omo line of duty ewo Africa ha na no kranie eno ne 2023 ya de ba 2024 me hu story no me kenkan ye kofo mo na me hwe countries a sansam twofoi ahwe wo mo kwan ewo so no na wo hwe eye enkroyo mo bobo so no a ebi ye Zimbabwe, Mozambique, Somalia, Sudan, Nigeria, Mali, Rwanda ena Cameroon sa aman so ena samtwofo dunan ahwe wo mo enkwan ewo hɔ no no so no eye amanebo ya African Media Convention ekɔso no wo mo di emusam ababetudwa enti the anchor the bokrata ni mu enie na mamemfa wo enko the new publisher anim yera Alexander Fenyomakin ya no eyemra sebedwani emomanfo we futu abaton pesua so wo no so na edom kase ba no da ne CJ wo se na no a omoye speaker efre parliament omko yen na nka wo mo ehye ese tax waivers companies base 42 bia abane person ka so masne kakra na under one district one factory no wo mo ba ye omo establishment bebo magana mabunya adwuma ye omo multi social media na ye ni adwuma no abane so sa companies yase kakra no mo be establish a ebeboa no so anya adwuma ye enadom kuma no age say wo mo botugu your mampene amasa tax waivers no amaso na wo manya ntum wote dom kuma na sema wo mo chese sa waivers aban no pese ode manyumako no eno no egana enya so emfaso bia eno na yewura marken eche say odi yawo eye ne yawo na komam se akonya beda ho no ma wo mo akobre akọ kasa obi ko wu investors akọ ne nkrofo akodi nkoma akọ dada akọ krokro wo nye nada akọ krokro ma wo mo ensese se mumra ye beso masema ma bie nnwuma e wo man yi mu na ekuo timra se be fie so wo mo mpene e masa waivers no enya dwuma enti companies ni nyina sanfo mu sika nkwa ana eno ene asem no ya chese yewura afenyo market edi ho yawo kase enisinka ekoba ne saa na CJ de mede wi ama no eye the inquisitor the bokrata na wo sha say ya na last week ya na beto monten so a special prosecutor say ono so no asajagu ni chemu kakra ni nyina eye petitioner Kane special prosecutor Yera Martin ABK Amidu edekwada mampani ya washa so mampani yi papa yi efri honom na enkato de koma mampani so de akwa Chief Justice Chief Justice actually de Yera Jaben Kise Jaben eso mra na omeyi ne ho ano eno so ho asam eda ha na no na da obokata ne chese enipa titi ne nintini bi pa CJ yase big hands bio and a touch person musum ye rekise bin etiko any free said bia no so wa mo tese papa na be hye na djuma dia se no na ase bi mu hunu ne so we de on betumi atena ne so ana ase we de on betumi acheche ne sakakra but edu ba bi o mu hunu se papa no gya ne na so ye ka so bi ye independent a wo gya ne na so be na djuma no e na tese ebi ma bopo no e na po no mo boye no a na akotom se kuru ate so ura midu eden kata koma mampani 10 times on ano mampani di koma sija sumri katuo waden kata koma SP OSP di se wono so emfa na no ye emra the inquisitor ebu mu amane an saka bia de aka ne nyina ewo ma obehunu enchirimu no ti eno so na megina na mede da obokrata no